Hey folks, and welcome back to Grey County Grillin. I'm Chris, and today we are going to be making some pickled eggs. We're going to cook them in the sous vide, and then we're going to put a little bit of smoke on them on the Traeger. So it's going to be a little bit of a different take on pickled eggs for today. So here's the eggs. I got 18 there in the package. We got my Inkbird Sous Vide. And I'm going to get that all set up through the app. We'll get it heating up. We'll get the eggs in and be right back. Okay, we have the sous vide set up. You can see there the temperature that we have it set at is 170, and we are going to go for an hour. Next, we are going to get those eggs put into the water. We've got the 18 eggs down in the water bath, and we got the temperature up to 108. So once that hits 170, then we are going to let these eggs go for an hour. And oh, I can see one's got a crack in it already. You can see that right there. The rest of them look to be okay. So that one's got a crack in it, so oh well. Not too bad, I guess. Alright, we'll come back in an hour. And the eggs are done. They have been going at 170 for an hour. We are going to pull them out of here, get them into some cold water and in the fridge, and tomorrow we will get them on the smoker. Okay, we've got the eggs peeled. Now we're out at the Traeger getting it warmed up. We're just going to put it on smoke and let it go for maybe a half an hour. I don't want to put it on for too long and overcook the eggs. And I'm just going to give you some fair warning, the eggs look awful. I don't know what went wrong. I put some vinegar in with the water when I was cooking them, but they did not peel very well at all. So they are going to be some of the ugliest looking eggs you've ever seen. But what are you going to do? It's how they taste in the end that matters. Anyway, we're going to let this get up to temp, and then we'll bring the eggs out and put them on. Here's the eggs. Like I said, they look awful, but what are you going to do? They're already peeled. I can't put the peel back on, recook them. So we're just going to have to make do with what we got. Anyway, the Traeger is smoking now. So we're going to get these eggs on. Okay, we have the eggs on. And now you can see even more just how bad they are. I got them on the top rack on the Traeger. I don't know if that's going to make any difference at all. But we'll see. Like I said, we'll come back and check on them in about a half an hour. And we'll see how they look. The brine we're going to be using for the pickled eggs is pretty simple. I've already got a cup and a half of white vinegar in the pot. We're going to add another cup and a half of water. We've got about a tablespoon of pickling spice and a teaspoon and a bit of salt.
What kind of salt is it?
That's kosher salt.
Kosher salt. Are you supposed to use kosher salt?
I don't know. It was the closest one to grab. And then we've got some garlic here that is probably close to 4 cloves minced.
How many bay leaves, Chris?
And then we're going to put in 2 bay leaves.
Those are sad-looking bay leaves.
They are only calls for 1, but that's why I put in 2, because those are looking pretty sad. So we're going to turn this on, we're going to boil it up, and then come back. What you're smelling is the brine as it boils, and it's been boiling for about 2 minutes now, so we're going to take it off, and we will start the next step. We've been going for about a half an hour now with the eggs. Let's open them up. And they have definitely taken on a good smoky color. So I think we're going to call it quits. I'll take these off, we'll get them inside, and then we'll start throwing everything into the jar. The eggs are done, the brine is done. All that's left is to put everything into this jar right here. First step, we've got some onion that we're going to throw in the bottom. Like so. Next, we're going to dump in all of the eggs. Okay, the eggs are all in. Now we're going to dump in our brine. And then we'll put the rest of the onion on top in the jar. Alright, that's it. We're going to put these away for a few days and then bring them out to try them at that time, make a new video and upload that. But as for now, that is it. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to share with your friends. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my Amazon affiliate links at the bottom and my Patreon as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.